Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm glad you clicked on this specific YouTube video because in this video I will be gatekeeping my deving strategy on how I make thousands of dollars every single day simply from launching coins on the Solana blockchain. If you are still trading meme coins and losing a bunch of money, bro, you have to stop and you have to become the creator because you have nothing to lose. You are just launching, dumping, and repeating. So keep watching, bro, because I will be gatekeeping everything step by step. I do not sell a course. And obviously, bro, I've made a shit ton of money purely from deving in the past couple of years. It's fucking insane and it's so untapped. Most people trade meme coins and almost nobody create the coins themselves. So keep watching, bro, because I want you to become a dev. Now, if you've been spending a bunch of time scanning and trading meme coins and you are not seeing consistent results, well, there's a reason specific for that. And it's not bad luck, and it's not because you were just bad, okay? Because the truth is that every single time you buy a coin, you are putting money directly into the pockets of whoever created these coins. The dev collects the fees on every single transaction, okay? They make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees, and also, since they control the entire supply of the coin, they can dump on you, and they can actually make way more than everyone combined because they are the dev and they have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to make a coin, and that's exactly what makes deving so powerful. It all depends to where you're launching and with what narrative you are creating your coin on. And that's exactly why if you still trade meme coins, you will always stay on the losing side of the equation. And that's exactly why I am making this video, because this video is all about switching sides. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to launch your very first meme coin live step by step so you can see the full process and the real number behind it, bro. I make around 1k to 3k a day purely from deving, so I know what I'm talking about. And by the way, bro, everything said in this video does not constitute any financial advice. I don't condone anything, okay? I'm just here to show you exactly how it's done. I am not a financial advisor. Anyways, cap. Now, the first ever platform that most people turn to when they start deving is called Pump.Fun. And disclaimer, bro, we will not be launching our coins on Pump.Fun. Let me explain why. Even though it's the most well-known launchpad, so it feels like the logical sense to launch here, well, there's also a bunch of problems, okay? The platform is oversaturated, hundreds of coins is being launched every hour on Pump.Fun, and the majority of all these coins, they get no traction whatsoever. Beyond that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees and they control your liquidity pool, so you are at a disadvantage from the very fucking start of the launch. That's exactly why I personally launch my coins on the Raydium DEX. There's more volume, there's more credibility, and there's ways to get your coin on Raydium, okay, without using Pump.Fun, because on Pump.Fun your coin needs to reach a $34,000 market cap for it to level up to Raydium. But if you use create meme.io, every single coin goes to Raydium immediately. It skips the entire bonding curve and it goes to Raydium. That's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping create meme.io, bro. It's fucking insane, bro. Thousands of people are waiting on Raydium, waiting to buy migrated coins. That's why we launch here. Now, here's exactly how to make a meme coin on create meme. You could either create a coin from scratch. So for example, if you have a good narrative, if you have a project that you just made, or some type of meme coin community or anything around anything, right, or a viral narrative in your mind, you can create a coin completely from scratch within seconds. Just put your name, symbol, and image, right, make sure the logo is good, and then it's done, okay? You could either use their X tracker, okay? Basically, you can turn tweets into coins within seconds. All you have to do is just click on create coin and then turn it into a coin by choosing the PFP and the name and the symbol. But in this video, we will be using the third method, also known as the copy trending coins tab, also known as vamping. Basically, all these coins, they all have a bunch of volume and they're all going viral on Pump.Fun right now as we speak, which means if we copy these coins back to Raydium, well, first of all, we have a higher chance of getting a bunch of buyers $2 since it's on Raydium, and second of all, we are copying a coin that went viral before and we are just relaunching it to Raydium so we get a bunch of more attention into our coin, and that would lead potentially to more profits in our dev wallet. And that's exactly what we are going to run right now in this video. Now obviously bro, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. That is really important. Then click on refresh, and then you can look for a coin to copy and to vamp. I don't know which one I'm going to go for. I'm gonna just choose this one, Memecoin. Click on copy to Raydium if you want to copy it, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then click on confirm right here, and then the coin will potentially be copied, right? Just wait for it to mint. Be patient. And then boom, now if I go on source scan for you guys, here I have proof 11 seconds ago that it was created, everything works. But yeah bro, now let's create our liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the liquidity pool. Like that, you can have full control over all the coins in your wallet, and you can dump it whenever you want. You can cash out, you can clip profits as a dev, whatever you want. Here is where your coin also goes to Raydium, which is really important. Okay, but anyways, there's two easy steps. Once you have the hang of it and you know what to do, you can do it over and over again for all your launches. Now for the amount of coins, just click on 90%. This will drop 900 million tokens into the pool, which is really what I personally do for all my coins. Right under for the amount of sold to pair, here is where you will be buying some of your supply, your own supply of your own coin. Like that, you can make profits as a dev because you need supply to make profits, and also you are making money from every transaction for which will be paid out as creator fees. That's another side income. But yeah, you are not losing anything here, by the way. If you want your soul back, you can get it whenever you want, so it's not an expense, it's not a loss, it's nothing. I'm gonna put 0.3 soul, click on crit pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, just wait, and then ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. After that bro, just click on refresh and then scroll down, and bang, the Gnon, well that's the ticker symbol. This coin is now live and your profits are going to be right there. And look, if you click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, $132 of buys just came in within, like, if I had to say, around 20 seconds, which is absolutely insane. That is the power of Raydium. People are fucking aping in on the fucking instantly on the dot, and that's actually insane. That's why we launch coins on Raydium. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart or Axiom. Go on your trading terminal. Let me go in full screen. The coin should be live, and as you guys can see guys, people are now buying in. We're at a 1.5k 1.7k market cap. Things are looking good. 1.1k liquidity. People are buying in. This is exactly what we need. Okay, more. Oh my god, $80 buy, $77 buy, bro. That's exactly why you have to start deving, bro. It's actually insane. Stop trading and start deving. This coin costed us nothing to make, and people are actually investing in our Memecoin, and that's exactly why people deving, okay, are making so much money. Like literally, they're launching 20 coins a day, 30 coins a day. Like that's actually insane. Now guys, just don't sell, let your coin go up and up and up, and when the market cap is high, then now you can sell. Do not sell early, just wait for your coin to pump. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, hopefully we will be up a lot. So we're back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 6.5k market cap after around, I would say, 8 minutes, which is not actually too bad, okay? I've seen better. Anyways, come back to creatememe.io when you want to cash out your profits. Oh, whoopsies. And obviously bro, click on the refresh button. Oh my god. Okay, as you guys can see, we're up 2.1k on this coin, which is actually more than what I expected. I expected around $1,000, but this is good. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Make sure to do 100%, okay, to remove all, not just partial clips, all, and then wait here. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how it's done from start to finish, bro. I showed you exactly step by step on how to do it, and bang, 2.2k is in my Phantom wallet, bro. Instantly it goes into your Phantom wallet, and then you can do that over and over again, bro. The trick here is to launch multiple coins at the same time, or multiple, like one after the other, and be consistent on that. Okay, I had to launch around 100 coins to make like 100 bands, so you have to be really consistent. It's kind of easy though. It's all for educational purposes only, by the way. So you do you. Create meme.io will be linked down below, or just go on Google and type it here. And yeah, bro, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord to connect with others or to connect with me if you have any problems. Bye.